Yarintere Shampunguni Kamwadho nikishukumunge kia Tharaka kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi na taririte mubango jwa thirikari jo waki bwa damu inene ira igatetheria kaunti ijiri ira ya Tharaka Nithi ningi ya Kitui ntere cia Mwingi North na aria kwithirite gukirumirirwa ni Kiaramu Tharaka ona ntere i cia Kitui nonto ba magaruku ja riera ni ripoti ya mwandiki wetu wa Nteto kuma Tharaka Dagara Wegona.
Vipo Minista wa Mainyo pia wandaya werereta Mpunguni ntere cha Kamwadho gechigo munge kia Tharaka kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi kere ndionga yake ya kuona bantu arandamu ya kiboke gakwa ara kiariria mwingi ugite ndamu ina gatetherekeria manto moremi kugwata mainya mastima na kinya kunyithia mikondo ria kagita karambura yaure nene kiria kariba na itia muru athagana.
A plan for many years as government to develop a multi-purpose dam here, the famous High Grand Falls Dam. That will of course address many issues including flooding downstream and facilitate irrigation, but more critically generate power. And that is exactly why we are here. It is still work in progress, but we are more than determined to ensure that this project comes to fruition in the fullness of time.
Wandai akiuga bakarutaniria wira wa kubena mwingi gukorokera atongoria baba matura na bara bathure na atongoria chinge mwanya mwanya.
We are working very closely of course with KenGen, which is the lead agency in this project, the local communities led by their elected leaders, and many other government agencies and departments. This is basically a multi-pronged approach involving many stakeholders and participants. And it's also part of our journey to achieving the first world status. We are essentially implementing the very progressive and transformative agenda of His Excellency President William Ruto, that ultimately will see Kenya attain the status of the first world.
Jare mukaririgete wankiama yarekithirie bakenjeni bwana Friend Agoi akiuga mutaratara jo wenji bwanda mwakiboka no tuchetia gitani gaka kuri na wero boko mianjeria akiuga nikenda kugania roje kirinda mwene wako bagatomera ndoje chingiri kethoro ikerekeire kuma bwegoro kirinda muchingiri go ndamu ya kiambere na kinyami ro yandeni kagita karako ura gutigera ne kuguna nto kwa wingi.
We have this project that has been in preparations for as long as you can remember. 2011 is a long period, but now we can see there is some light at the end of the tunnel. You are aware that we have 5 other major dams upstream, and the nearest one is Kiambere. So that water that leaves Kiambere after it has generated power will come and be stored here, including the other rivers that are flowing out of this place, so that we can have water to generate an additional 700 megawatts. That is quite substantial, and as the CEO is saying, it's going to contribute to the growth of our economy in the whole of this country.
Kuma Mpunguni wandaga tonga gechigo munge kia Tharaka nkiripotera Meru TV reto kambita Ndagara Waiguna.
Nabo mandere